Hello, friends. Today, I have for us a Bluey Advent calendar. An Advent calendar is a box that comes with 24 little boxes. Each of the boxes has a number, from number 1 all the way to number 24. So for the month of December, on December 1st, we open box 1 and we get a little surprise. And then the next day, we're going to open the next box with a number 2. We open here and we get a surprise. And then 3 and 4 all the way to 24. And then Christmas is the 25th. So for 24 days in December, we get to open this Advent calendar, this Bluey Advent calendar. Look, these are all the surprises that are going to come in our Advent calendar. Let's open the first one. Are you ready? Where's number 1? Right here. Okay. Let's press here, and then we get to open this little box here and see what's in here. It's socks. It's Bluey's cousin. Look how cute he is, you all. He's wearing a Christmas sweater. He looks so cute. Okay, let's look for number 2 now. Where's number 2? Here it is. Okay, let's open number 2 and see what we get in here. Look, you all. It's Polly Pup. This is Bluey's toy. So cute. Okay, let's look for number 3. Where's number 3? Here's number 3. Let's look at number 3. What's in here? What is this, y'all? Let's see. Oh, this is so cute. This is a cutout of some presents. Super cute, you all. Look at all the Christmas presents. I like that. This is what we have so far. All right, let's go for number 4. Here, number 4. Oh, this is so cute, you all. Looks like a little piano. Let's see. It's a little piano. Look how cute this pink piano is. Oh, it has a little microphone here on the side. That is so cute. So this is what we have. Are we ready for number 5? Let's go. Here's number 5. Oh, this is so cute. It's a little teapot. It's a pink teapot. So cute. Here's number 6. Oh, nice. It's a sticker of bingo. So cute. Look at the little Christmas antlers. super cute. Here's number 7. Let's see what we got. Oh, wow. It's Bluey. Look how cute this Christmas sweater is. A red Christmas sweater. That is so cute. All right, let's see what all we have so far. Okay, let's find number 8. Here's number 8. Let's open it. Hey, it's a blue little scooter. So cute. Look how cute this scooter is. Okay, let's see. It's the perfect size, you all. Look. So cute. Here's number 9. Let's see what we got. Oh, wow. It's a present. Let me get this present out. Look, it's a pink present. How cute is that? Let's see what we have. This is what we have so far. This is what we have so far. Here's number 10. Let's see what we got. All right, let's open number 10. Here we go. Wow. It's a sticker of socks. So cute. Here's number 11. Let's see what we have. Wow. It's a lavender little toy dolphin. So cute. Here's number 12. Let's see. So cute. It's a Santa dog. Let's put this together. With a surfboard. That is so cute. So cute. Santa dog and a surfboard. Super cute. Here's number 13. I wonder what's in here. Let's see. Let's open here and see what we have. So cute. It looks like a yellow boombox. It is. Look how cute it is. It has purple on the sides. It's a little boombox. Look at all the things we have. I like this little piano, you all. Look how cute that is. Look at all the surprises we have. I love this little pink piano. That is so cute. Are we ready for number 14? Let's see. All right, where's number 14? Here's 14. Let's see what we got. Let's open this. All righty, here we go. Wow, it's Muffin. Here's Bluey's cousin. I like that green sweater. So cute. Here's number 15. Let's see what we got. So cute. It's a little toy, a purple penguin. Let's get him out. So cute. Okay, let's see what number 16 has for us. What surprise is in here? Let's see. So cute. It's a snowman. It's a cutout of a snowman. Let me see if I can get it out. What a cute snowman, you all. Here's number 17. Let's look what's inside. Let's see. So cute. It's a little green present. Look how cute this is. Let's open number 18. Let's see what we have. Whoa. It's a drum set. Look how cute this is. A little drum set. This is the perfect size drum set. Let's open number 19. See what we have. Whoa! It's a sticker of muffin with a present. How cute is that? Here's number 20. Let's open it up. Whoa! Look how cute is Bluey and Bingo, and they're wearing Santa hats. So cute. What's number 21? Let's see. Oh, wow! It's Bluey. Look, he's wearing these cute Christmas antlers. How cute is that, you all? Super cute. Let's open 22 and see what we have. Wow! It's a beautiful Christmas tree. Look at that. Wow, look at the star and all the ornaments. It's so cute. Let's see everything that we have. Look at all the surprises we have. Let's open 23. Another scooter, yay! All right. We are almost finished. Let's open 24. This is our last one. Whoa, it's Bingo. Wow. I really like this advent calendar. Look at all the surprises that came in here. Thank you all for unboxing this Bluey Advent calendar with me. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye.